as we speak in Jammu and Kashmir. 2 labourers have been killed, 1 injured in yet another terrorist attack, this time in the Kulgam district. What exactly happened? Well, terrorists fired indiscriminately upon 2 labourers there in the Kulgam region. In the incident, 2 people, not residents of Jammu and Kashmir there, were targeted, and the Jammu and Kashmir police saying that they have cordoned off the area now and they are waiting for more details. But what is the big picture over here? This latest attack brings the total number of civilians attacked in the valley in just the past 2 weeks to 11. 5 of them non-locals from Jammu and Kashmir. Let's go across to Nazir Masoodi joining us with the latest on this. Nazir, 11 civilians in just 2 weeks. And these are targeted attacks. These are people who have been shot at point blank range, right? What exactly is the reason behind this? What is this telling us about the situation in the valley as of now?
Well, many people are talking about many theories, some conspiracy theories, but it is shocking beyond words when innocent people who come here to earn their livelihood are being killed ruthlessly every day. Every evening we hear the news. For a reporter covering this every day, reporting this is very, very difficult. When you see the innocent people who come here, earn their living, when we talk to them and hear about stories, how they come here with the hopes to earn money, send it to their homes so that their children can go to school, they can get food, proper food and clothing, and here they are being targeted. These are simple targeted killings. And this evening also in a place called Vanpo in Kulgam, there was indiscriminate firing according to police on a group of laborers. They were from Bihar. And 2 of them died. 1 is critically injured. He has been shifted to hospital. Yesterday evening, there were 2, back-to-back attacks, 1 in Srinagar and 1 in Pulwama. 2 workers, one a, Golgappa seller in Srinagar was killed. Another a carpenter working in Pulwama was killed. He was from UP. So this has started early this month and there's no end to it. On police side, they have been saying there were 9 encounters in last 1 week. They killed 13 militants. Some of them were involved in these civilian killings. But if they were involved, why there have been more attacks since yesterday? Hours after IGP Kashmir talked about, success that they have killed 13 militants. Police also carried out a massive crackdown in Kashmir. Around 900 people are reportedly, detained who have alleged links with the separatists. If they were the reason why they have been more attacked, the question is why police is not able, security forces is not able to, prevent these attacks. How come there has been such a structure being built? It cannot happen overnight. Over the time, over the months and over the years, where they can carry out these organized and targeted attacks, not in one place but everywhere. Be it Srinagar, be it Bandipur, be it Pulwama, be it Kulgam now today. So really very, very serious situation. And the big question mark on the intelligence structure and also the security force, police structure to deal with the situation. It is also at a time when we see a prolonged and one of the most difficult encounters. Armies engaged in south of Pir Panjal in Poonch for last 7 days. 9 soldiers, including 2 junior commissioned officers, have lost their lives in this encounter, and so far there has been no success against in this operation. No militant has been killed. So as you see, on one hand, they are picking hard targets, which is engaging army in an encounter, in a prolonged and a tough encounter. And on other side, in the north of Pir Panjal, we see civilian killings, innocent people, and the reason, motive is very, very clear now: drive outsiders out.
All right, strong words there, Nazir, and thanks for bringing that perspective as well from the valley over there. Let's look at the detailed report that you filed today to understand what exactly is unfolding in Jammu and Kashmir.
2 non-local labourers shot dead in indiscriminate firing by terrorists in Vanpo area of Kulgam. After targeted attacks on civilians, now it's non-local workers in Srinagar who seem to be the target. Last evening's killing of a Golgappa seller from Bihar, Arvind Kumar, and UP carpenter Sagir Ahmed by terrorists has shaken the non-local workers here. Suresh has been selling peanuts in Srinagar for the past 15 years, supporting his family of 5 in UP. Now he's worried. Leaving Srinagar means losing his livelihood, but staying here seems risky. Already 5 other peanut sellers here have left, he says.
कहाँ जाएंगे? यहाँ हो गए 15-16 साल काम करते करते, इनमें बाल बच्चे है सब खर्चा चला रहे हैं, क्या करें? वालों को कभी भी ऐसा कभी नहीं देखा, बाकी तो ये चलती रहती थी मगर ऐसी हमने आज तक कोई हमने नहीं देखा है।
In Saharanpur district of UP, Sagir Ahmed's family is in shock. They say his earnings as a carpenter in Kashmir had provided a steady income for them all.
कोई और सहारा है परिवार में?
नहीं, कोई सहारा नहीं। हमारा भाई एक अकेला ही, हम 4 बहन है बस।
तो दूसरों ने बताया कि ये जो है बर्तन धो रहे थे तो किवाड़ खुले हुए थे कमरे के, तो गोली 2 लगी इनके, या हमने सोचा कि करंट लग गया इसके, तो हमने जो इसको पलटा जो करा तो खून निकल रहा था।
30-year-old Arvind Kumar was shot dead while selling Golgappas at Eidgah in Srinagar. He is the second Golgappa seller from Bihar killed in 2 weeks in Srinagar.
वही कमा का भेजता है, हम लोग खाते पीते हैं सर, और कुछ नहीं है।
अच्छा,
और क्या कहेंगे?
In the last 2 weeks, 11 civilians have been killed in targeted attacks. 4 of them Hindus, 4 Muslims and 1 Sikh. Police say 32 civilians have been killed this year. Last evening's attacks took place hours after the police said they have killed 13 local terrorists, some of them involved in the recent civilian killings.
Attacks on innocent civilians continue unabated in Kashmir. Official sources say targeted attacks are aimed at driving non-locals out. While there are multiple theories why these attacks are taking place, it clearly shows failure of law enforcement agencies. And it is the innocent laborers who bear the brunt. In Srinagar, Nazir Masoodi, Fandi TV.